Welcome to Sweet Kitchen Skills, today with this beautiful blowing technique. Now I would like to show you a really cool blowing technique. The cavity needs to be about 17 to 18 degree cold because then the cocoa butter will set fast. Super cool technique, use any color you like. I will show you mine and then maybe you show me yours. Let's start. The cocoa butter is tempered and 28 degree cold, which is 82.4 Fahrenheit. I hold the airbrush vertical and start blowing very slow. The color starts rising up the edges until the edge of the mold, and then you keep blowing until the color sets. If the color isn't tempered or the mold isn't cold enough, the color won't set. Keep blowing until the color is not running anymore. If it keeps running, you need to turn the mold upside down. Only make 2 cavities at the time. If the mold is too cold, the color will set too fast. It will not work. Cocoa butter will set and you will not be able to blow the cocoa butter all the way to the edge. If there is too much color and the color comes over the edge, just turn the mold upside down and dry on a paper towel. When the color is totally crystallized and the mold has room temperature, brush the inside with gold powder. keep the beautiful color, I use white chocolate WV2 with 10% extra cocoa butter. The chocolate is of course tempered. Watch my videos about tempering chocolate and cocoa butter. The filling is filling from a previous video I made. After the filling has set, I slightly heat the surface to melt the edges of the bonbons. That helps you to connect the bottom layer better. Because the whole mold has the right temperature, which is room temperature, I have plenty of time to put the bottom layer on without the bottom layer starts to set. This is very important. Now it's about time to hit the subscribe button. 70% of the people watching are not subscribing. It's for free, so help me. Help me to get the 100,000 followers. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you will be back for more. Bye bye.